what's guys, back to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to make a sugarcane farm. Then let me take the things, then I can make the sugarcane farm. So guys, now you can see I'm making the sugarcane farm. Then I should to put this cobblestones first here. And how much? Not that much I should put it, then it will take so much long. Then guys, now you can see I'm building the sugarcane farm. Now I should put here. Now let me put properly this. Ayo, by mistake I put it. Now sure again. Oh no. It's coming like this. No. Like this was we need to put this. No. Now remove this. Now put here cobbles. Now we should put here cobblestone. Then we should put redstone dust. No. I should not put here. I should dig here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know how much. That's more than 5, I think so. Now I need this. First we need to put here this. Now we need to put the see. It's working now. Because the observer uses it is see observer having face. When he sees, then he can cut it. How like this it will works. I should cut this. Now we need to put here hopper. I need glass to cover this all. Now hopper uses not then I removed. Now in sometimes it's going to finish. It's more than 5 minutes, I think so. No, 7 minutes, 3 minutes after 1 second and 9. Now we should put here this. If you are in flat, then it will be so much hard. If you are in infinity, then it will not be that. It will be easy. Because in flat, when we dig 2 blocks or 3 blocks, then bedrock will come. That's why for flat we should use creative. If I create my world anew, how much hard work I should to remove. See my city, how it's looking. City. Everybody's thinking how I'm making the city. Even Cheyenne stupid also. Oh shit. If I see the video now, he'll become so much angry. See, I told you Bedrock will come easily. See Hopper. It came, right? Now we need to put your chest. Then that's all. Finish. 5 minutes 10, 34, 5. I got so much dark, I should to put torch. Now I should to put your chest. Finished. Wait, what? Wait, watch. Oh shit, water's coming. I should to put out. Please, Mama. Oh shit. Mama, then now you can jump from steps. See, I jump. Wait, I should go back and jump. I jumped here. Now I will go. So guys, bye bye.